everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Azure Data Scientist Associate DP-100. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, what are the key components of Azure Machine Learning Service? Your answer should be, Azure Machine Learning Service includes several key components: workspaces, centralized spaces to manage your machine learning resources, data sets used to manage data for training and validation, compute targets including virtual machines and Azure machine learning compute clusters for running experiments, models, storing and versioning trained models, pipelines, automating workflows from data preparation to model deployment, endpoints for deploying and serving models as web services. Our next question is, how do you manage and version your machine learning models in Azure ML? Your answer should be, in Azure ML, models are managed and versioned through Azure ML Workspace. You can register model in a workspace to keep track of different versions. Use the Azure ML SDK or CLI to programmatically manage models. Attach metadata, tags, and descriptions to models for better organization. Track the model lineage to understand the origin and transformations that the model has undergone. Our next question is, explain the difference between Azure ML Designer and Azure ML SDK. Your answer should be, Azure ML Designer, a drag and drop interface that allows you to create machine learning models visually. It is suitable for users who prefer a no-code or low-code approach. Azure ML SDK, a Python-based SDK that offers greater flexibility and control for creating, managing, and deploying machine learning models programmatically. It is suited for data scientists and developers who are comfortable with coding. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how would you deploy a machine learning model in Azure? Your answer should be, to deploy a machine learning model in Azure, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Register the model. Register your model in the Azure ML workspace. Step 2. Create an interference configuration. Define how the model should be loaded and scored using a inference script and necessary dependencies. Step 3. Set up the deployment configuration. Configure the deployment specifying the compute resources, example, Azure Kubernetes Service, Azure Container Instances. Step 4. Deploy the model. Use the deploy method from the Azure ML SDK to deploy the model to the chosen compute target. Step 5. Test the endpoint. Once deployed, test the endpoint by sending HTTP request with sample data to ensure it is working as expected. Our next question is, what are the different compute targets you can use in Azure machines? Learning. Your answer should be, Azure machine learning supports various compute targets. Local compute, running experiments on your local machine. Azure machine learning compute, manage clusters of VMS that can scale automatically. Azure Kubernetes Service AKS, for large-scale high availability deployments. Azure Databricks, for big data processing and large-scale machine learning. Virtual machines, dedicated VMS for custom configurations. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.